Mary. Truth is, you are my sister. You used to be like my best friend, but then we started knowing each other. 1 second. My computer's being a bitch. 1 sec. You can think better this way. Can you? Dude, you seem a lot better this way. The truth is, you're like my sister. You used to be like my best friend, but now you're like my sister. I love you to death. I'm checking my phone real quick. Oh, the first time you stayed at my house, you thought my big bloody pillow was a penis. Beat you up. Penis slap you. You need to say again. Like, now. Over break. You need to say again. I love you. You dated Thomas. We both dated Isaiah. I regret every second of it. He's a douche. Every time you stay, every time you stay, either I make you break up with them, or I'll get you together with someone. I am awesome, and you love me. No, you do. You can't deny it. If you say you don't love me, I will find you. I know where you sleep, girl. My prostate's on. Gotta put time together. That hurt. But I love you, and that's about it. Bye, best friend. Oh my God, do not say that to my